Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna learn all about MHD flashing, the tuning software I use for my BMW, and we're also gonna get some sound clips with some pops. It's pretty badass. Check it out. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do with MHD is you need a tablet. You need it to be Android, not iPhone. I have an iPhone, but I cannot use the MHD app with my iPhone. So first thing you're gonna need to do is have a Android tablet. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is get an OBD2 cable. As you can see, mine is plugged in down there. That's compatible with MHD. I got mine Burger Motorsports Tuning, and it works perfectly, but there's many other brands you can get, but I got mine off bms.com, and it plugs into your OBD2. The wire comes through here, goes through here, hooks in to the tablet. Once you have the OBD2 and your tablet, you download the correct MHD. This is mine, MHD N55 E series. I have an N55 E92. You have an N54, you download the N54 app. So after you download the app, then you want to open the app, like so, and then you're going to bring up this menu, and this is where it gets kind of tricky, but not really. I'll show you right now how it works. So when you download MHD, here is your screen that you're going to get. You have flash MHD map, backend map, such as JB4, custom map, if you have a tuner and he sends you a map, this is where it goes. Stock maps, MHD licenses, and the user guide. I recommend you guys check out the user guide because it's very helpful. Sorry, the camera cut off there. As I said, user guide is definitely something I would do. Also, there's hundreds, not hundreds, but there's a lot of YouTube videos on MHD on the N54, N55, F30, I believe. They do use it, and they use boot mod, but so there's many videos and the user guide here to learn how to do this, and also my video now. But the next thing you want to do is you want to go to MHD licenses store. This is where all the licenses you're going to buy are and all that stuff. So I'll go to show licenses. These are my licenses. As you can see, the flasher module you're going to want to buy, it's $199. Very reasonable for what you get. Then stage 2 map packs, as you can see, which I have, and then the monitor. So these are my 3 licenses, and there's going to be a big list for you guys when you first download the app on which ones you can buy, and ethanol maps, and stage 1, 2, 2 plus, 1 plus, and you can go back to stock map if you want. So once you have bought in your licenses, if you want to go E85, E30, E50, stage 1, 2, 2 plus, 1 plus, whatever it is, whatever map you bought, then once you go here, you're going to go to flash MHD map, the top right here, and bam, there all it is. Stage 1, stage 1 plus, 2, 2 plus, 85, E30, E50. My car is 91 octane, right, as you can see right there, 91 octane, stage 2 plus. Downpipes and front mount intercooler are recommended, which my car has. So you press, let's just say you do this one, okay? So you press the, sorry, hold on one second. You press the 91 octane. Bam, there it is. Then you're gonna get choose transmission, dual clutch manual, auto, X drive, or auto regular flash. Mine's an auto, not a DCT, or does not have the XHP flash map. So press this, contacting the DME. Okay, so mine is already flashed. I'm not gonna do this, but as you can see, it says map right. You press that, it's gonna start flashing your car. Options, you can go to options. You can do cold start. You can make it loud. You can make it quiet. It's pretty interesting. Mine's pretty quiet because in the mornings I have a nephew who's 4 months old. I don't want to wake him up. And then you can mess with your exhaust burbles and all that. So then once you're done that, go back, press map right. Make sure your tablet is in airplane mode, and you have a battery tender on your car. And then you want to make sure AC's all the way off. Mine's on right now because it's 79 degrees outside. Make sure all the accessories are off, battery tender on your battery, and your airplane mode. And it should take about 10 minutes for the first time to flash, and now about 2 minutes. Obviously, I'm not going to do that because my car's already flashed. I just wanted to show you how to use the MHD app. So that's pretty much it. Also, now, once you do that, your map flash, you can go up to here. There's your tunes. You can go monitoring. So you go monitor, and mine is my manual logging here. And I have already set up. If it comes up, bam. All of these are my monitors. My boost is the square ones because that's the most one I want to see, because, you know, who doesn't want to see boost? I'm peaking at 16 pounds right now, which is pretty cool. Stock is usually 8 pounds, so stage 2 plus will double your boost. You can set all these however you want to. You press this, press one. You can set them all differently like this, whatever you want to do. It's pretty neat. So now we're gonna go back, and this is my favorite part. Everybody has a scanner to scan their check engine lights, right? With MHD, you can actually go back and go to codes, and then you can go read DME codes, which I will because I already contacted. Now it's contacting the DME codes. DME, power management, standby, crack violation. That's my thing. That's no big deal, whatever. But that will clear all your codes, and you can clear them, you can see them. It's really, really neat. So then you want to go clear codes because I don't need that code right there. It's no big deal. And then bam, there it is. So it's pretty much how you use MHD. This is your maps, all your tuning. Your monitoring is the column to the right, and all the way to the right is your codes. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. Also, you can hit me up on my Instagram, which I'll put on the screen right now. There it is, there it is. Bam. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next clip for some exhaust clips. Clips here. It's like, guys, check this out. You literally downshift. It's literally a gunshot. It's literally a gunshot. This thing's crazy. Oh my god. Definitely get MHD. It's insane. So those were some small clips of me driving with the Burbles. Nothing too crazy, not full power, nothing like that. I don't want to do that in residential streets like we're in. I just want to show you how the Burbles sound. So kept it with the speed limit. And now I'm going to show you some revs right now. And then next video is going to be, I'm going to go to this back road far away, kind of in the middle of nowhere, just so I can get some nice sound clips, no one around, to be careful. And those will be insane. Some outside clips, inside clips, Burbles. It'll be a full sound running through canyons, POV and outside clips. But let me give you some revs for you in the video, and then I will sign off. Oh, also I want to show you the new charge pipe, because that was a big thing in yesterday, or not yesterday, but last video. I'm sorry I didn't upload an install video on that. I just didn't want to. It was easy. I'll show you right now how to do it. It's a plug and play pipe, pretty simple. I'll show you right now. Also, that tow hook worked when I got my car on the tow truck. So I popped the hood, open the hood, there it is. There's the new charge pipe. So literally, it's a coupler thing to there, to the intercooler, tighten those two, runs all the way down here, and connects up in there, and then your mass flow sensor. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy to install. It's very like, it's aluminum, holds fucking boost, great. Definitely stoked about it. Also, shout out to Mob Bargains. They got that to me in 2 days. And ECS sucks. Don't use ECS tuning. They're terrible. Also, can you guys comment what next I should do to the outside of my car? I mean, it's pretty much done. Wheels lowered, little spoiler, roof wrap, side splitters, maybe a rear diffuser. I don't know. Comment. Please comment next thing I should do to this car. On the outside. I know the inside. New steering wheel coming soon, but yeah. On the outside, comment. Now let's get some sound clips. 54 going. Damn fucker, is that tech? Damn. Stock Turbo King? Thing's wet. Thing's hella wet. Damn. Thing's so clean. Okay, what's up, foo?
Yeah.
So what's up? What's up?
Just vlogging?
Yeah, just doing an MHD thing on my car.
For now?
Yeah.
Flashing it after what?
Already flashed it. Damn. Follow me on Instagram right here. Alright, that was some revs. This thing's loud-ish. beep. It's so loud, it sounds so good. But anyways, that'll do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Next video is gonna be all about revs, flybys, and all about sound, POVs. It's gonna be crazy next video, so stay tuned. I just wanted to show you MHD, the new charge pipe, how to use MHD if none of you guys knew, all that jazz. So I'm out, peace out. Be sure to follow my boy right there, Tech M54. Besides that, subscribe, like the video. Peace out, see you next video.